The final design changes have been frozen for the development and manufacturing of India's 5.5 generation AMCA fighter jet, and it will be confirmed at the upcoming Aero India in February 2021. Noticeable design changes have been made from the previous design rendering that was showcased to the public. The AMCA is entering the final stage of securing official funding for the Phase 1 of the program, and the funding will be achieved in December 2020. The Aeronautical Development Agency has confirmed the adoption of diverterless supersonic air inlet design that will reduce the weight and lower the frontal radar cross-section, and will also make it more maintenance-friendly. In the latest design revision of the AMCA, noticeable design changes have been made between the air intake and the fuselage that will reduce exposure to radar waves, and large horizontal tails have also been introduced for low wave drag. The engine position has also been moved further inside, that will result in a better thermal reduction in the rear side, and will also give space for a new upgraded 110 kN thrust engine for the Mark II variant, as it will come with a thrust vectoring nozzle module. The internal carriage design of the AMCA has been further improved, and the main landing gear has also been moved further. While the first batch of 5 Rafale fighters had arrived in India with a stopover at the Al Dhafra Air Base in the United Arab Emirates, new reports indicate that the second batch of 3 Rafale fighter jets that are scheduled to arrive on 4th November will be flying from France to India in an 8-hour non-stop flight, and will be accompanied by a 330 mid-air refueling aircraft of the French Air Force. The Air Chief has said that the Indian Air Force would get 3 Rafale fighters every 3 months, and the first squadron would be fully ready by the end of 2021, and the second squadron would be ready by 2023. The 125mm gun of the Sprut light tank will use the same munitions used by the existing T-72 and T-90 tanks of the Indian Army, and is more powerful than the 105mm Chinese VT-5. The Sprut SDM tank weighs around 18 tons, which is half as compared to the Chinese VT-5, due to which it will enjoy a considerable advantage in the battlefield. The Sprut is also equipped with an autoloader, which will provide high rate of fire of 8 rounds per minute, with both conventional projectiles and guided missiles. The fire control system features stabilization of elevation, and it also includes a laser rangefinder and a ballistic computer that provides real-time information about the moving target. China has equipped its H-6 strategic aircraft with the largest anti-ship air-launched missile, which carries a hypersonic glide vehicle, which will give it an extended range of 1,500 kilometers, and will also increase its survivability against air defenses. Analysts have said that it might be closely related to the ground-based DF-21 anti-ship ballistic system, and China has integrated it on the H-6 aircraft to target high-value ships like aircraft carriers, but the success of the new anti-ship system also depends on the survivability of the H-6 aircraft. Along with India's Earth observation satellite EOS-1, the Indian Space Research Organisation will launch 9 international customer satellites on 8th November. The foreign satellites are 4 LEMO multi-mission remote sensing satellites of the US, 4 maritime application satellites from Luxembourg, and 1 R2 technology demonstrator satellite from Lithuania.